Young lady, I have one word for you. Just one word. Enjoy. Gentlemen, you know what to do. Follow the captain's heat. When it's your time to shine, you bring it. Till then, keep up with the moves. Scooch down a little bit. Here's how we start. Everybody turn around. Now this is obviously a painting. Just turn around. Put your hands up against that wall. Both hands. And it's not a racial thing either. We're all doing it. All right, DJ. Let's go to work, boys.
We are at Punchline with Steve Byrne. And Jackson is one of the people up there in the lineup.
What do we get, Polo? Yeah, man. Guys, get off this. Why are you still here? No surprise there. Amazing moves. Some real amazing moves. Even got a cheap feel in there on the